In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a unique ID to a board in Monday.com. This is a quick and straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First, start by navigating to Monday.com. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the upper right corner and you'll notice the login button. Click on that to get started. You'll need to sign into your account and there are a couple of options here. You can either sign in using your Google account or type in the email address associated with your account. If you opt to sign in with Google, make sure to select the correct email address you'll be working with today. Now that you're logged in, head over to the board you want to work with. Once you're on the board, you'll want to focus on adding an item ID column to enhance your board with unique identifiers for each item. Look to the last column on your board, you'll see a plus sign button here. Click that button to open the options for adding a new column. Up at the top right of your board, you'll also notice another plus icon. Clicking this reveals a menu, and at the bottom of this menu, you'll find an option labeled More Columns. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the column center. Here, you can browse through various column types. In this scenario, we're on the lookout for item ID. Type it into the search bar and select it once you find it. With item ID selected, there's an Add to Board button that will add this column to your board. Doing so will make it easy to identify each item uniquely on your board, which is especially useful when dealing with large volumes of data. But don't worry, we're not done yet. You can also customize these IDs to better suit your needs. For customization, click on the three dots next to the column name to open a settings menu. Hover over settings and you'll see an option to customize item ID column. Here you have the liberty to choose between an ID number, which is randomly generated, or you can select custom key if you prefer to set your own unique identifiers. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to add unique IDs to your boards on Monday.com. This feature can greatly enhance how you manage projects by making your data more organized and accessible. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.